Hey guys, Brian here from Slick Products. You know, we get asked this question all the time. What is the difference between your shine and protectant and the exterior dressing? And on today's video, we're gonna show you the similarities and the differences of these two products and let you choose which one you like the best for yourself. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna be starting out on everybody's favorite tire, Shine. Both of these work great on tires. The exterior dressing is gonna leave more of a sheen, while the Shine and Protectant is gonna give it a little more of a high gloss. We're gonna start with the exterior dressing. Wanna mist it on there. We'll do a little bit on our applicator, smooth it in there. A lot of the white that you're seeing where it's a little bit thicker, as it sits, it's going to dry up and then it will gloss over and you're going to get a nice sheen. Now moving on to the Shine. Shine's really easy to use. Aerosol spray, hold it about 5 to 10 inches or so away. Just get a nice coating around. So we're gonna let that one sit. So already, as you see, this is a lot higher gloss. You can see a lot of the light bouncing off of this side. As it starts to soak and absorb in, it gets really smooth and clean. Both products are gonna look really good from further away as you're driving your vehicle. It really makes the tires pop, looks really fresh. So another place that a lot of people like to shine up is plastic bumpers. Okay, so for small areas like this, I typically don't go squirt and spray around. I'll just apply it directly to the applicator and then I'll apply it on there. Let's apply. You can already see it start to work right here. I mean, this works like magic on plastic. It's so nice to use and it goes on really, really smooth, creates a nice even coating, looks really good. Now moving on to the Shine and Protectant, we are going to apply this directly to the plastic bumper area. As you can see, I'm using a very little bit of the product. I don't have to really soak it in. I'm holding it about 5 inches away. It will disperse and absorb it to the surface to give you that really nice shine. So look at that, instantly starts to already shine this surface. So there you go. I'll have you come in and take a close look and you can compare the two. Okay guys, so on top of the bed cover, we're gonna do a section right here with the exterior dressing and then a section right here with the Shine, and you can see the two. I'm gonna apply a little bit to the applicator and then we're gonna run a square right in here. All right, so there is your exterior dressing side. Then we will do this side with the Shine and Protectant. Then we'll take our towel, let's give it a nice wipe down just to smooth it in. And there you go. So as you can see, much better looking than what we had before, but this coating is a little bit less glossy, whereas this coating really gives you that shiny gloss. Both are great products, work very, very well for this type of application. Okay, another great area is mud flaps. We're gonna do our best. This is a smaller area to work with to show both products, but we're gonna do our best to try split this down the middle. And then we're just gonna get in here, okay? Watch this, boom. Turns it back right instantly. But see, once I buff it, there's no residue. I mean, it's in there. We're gonna move on to our Shine and Protectant so you can see it right side by side and show you how this one works. This one, you're just gonna apply the same thing, about 5 inches back, lightly mist it, let it sit. Boom, there you have it. Really, really easy to use, both of these. Renewing that black finish look that comes on these plastics when you originally get them. So you can also just take a towel, just give it a nice wipe down, and you also don't have any residue left behind. So you get the black surface, no residue, perfectly fine, no streaks. Amazing products, amazing products. Okay, so last but definitely not least, this is probably one of everyone's favorite things to shine up, is faded trim. You see this all over the place. There are tons of cars that have this. This trim on this bumper on top is so faded out. Both of these products are renew it instantly, bring back that fresh look, keep your vehicle looking really, really nice. Apply a little bit to our microfiber applicator, and let's go after it. And just apply it, and you're gonna let it soak in, bring back that fresh look. Boom, easy as that, simple. Shine and Protectant, we are just gonna apply a light mist. I'll pretty much the same, and then we're gonna go over it with the towel. Here we go. Let it soak in. Boom. Take the towel, just a quick wipe over, get off any overspray. Okay, and there you have it. Gosh, guys, I love these products so much. I highly recommend either of these products. They're just such amazing products to use. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Both these products work really, really great to renew plastic, vinyl, rubber surfaces. I highly recommend either of them. They start at $14.99. This product here comes in 16, 32, 64, and 128 ounces as options. This product here will come in a 1, 3, 6, or 12 pack. You can find these products on slickproductsusa.com or go shop on Amazon and get yours today.